With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is part 1. For which values of a and b does the following pair of linear equations have an infinitely many number of solutions? Our equations are 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and a minus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. Now for our first part, if we have two equations as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, then for two equations to have infinitely many solutions, the ratio of a by 2 should be equal to b1 by b2 and should be equal to c1 by c2. So now our equations are 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and a minus bx plus a plus b y minus 3a plus b minus 2 is equal to 0. So here our a1 is 2 and a2 is a minus b. So this will be 2 upon a minus b should be equal to 3 upon b2 is a plus b and should be equal to minus 7 upon minus 3a plus b minus 2. This and this will become plus. Now if we first take these both ratios, so we will get 2 by a minus b is equal to 3 by a plus b. Cross multiplying, we will get 2 into a plus b is equal to 3 into a minus b. This will give us 2a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus 3b. And if we take coefficients of b on one side and a on one side, we will get 2b plus 3b is equal to 3a minus 2a, and this gives us the value of a as 5b. Now if we consider our second part, let be this. We are given that 3 upon a plus b is equal to 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. Cross multiplying, we will get this as 9a plus 3b minus 6 is equal to 7a plus 7b. Now again, if we take the coefficients of a on one side and b on one side, we will get 9a minus 7a minus 6 is equal to 7b minus 3a. This will become 2a minus 6 is equal to 4a. Now if we divide our, this is b and this is also b. So if we divide our whole equation by 2, we will get 2b is equal to a minus 3. Now we found out our value of a as 5b. So substituting its value, we will get, this will become 2a is equal to 5b minus 3. If we solve this, we will get 3b is equal to 3. So from here we get the value of b as 1. Now if we put back the value of b in this equation, we will get a will be equal to 5 times of b, which is 1. So from here we get value of a to be 5. So we have found our a to be 5 and our b to be 1. Now our second part is, for what value of k will the following pair of linear equations have no solution? Our equations are 3x plus y is equal to 1 and 2k plus minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1. So for two equations to have no solution, a1 upon a2 should be equal to b1 upon b2, but it should not be equal to c1 upon c2. So our equations are 3x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0 and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. So here we will get 3 upon 2k minus 1 is equal to 1 upon k minus 1, and this is not equal to 1 upon minus 2k plus 1. This will become plus. Now if we solve our first part, we will get 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 2k minus 1. So from here we will get 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. If we take the coefficients of k on one side and the constants on other, we will get 3k minus 2k is equal to minus 1 plus 3, and this gives us the value of k as 2. Now we will have to check that if this second condition is also satisfied. So we have 1 upon k minus 1 should not be equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. So we will put the value of k as 2 and check it here. So we will get 1 upon 2 minus 1 is not equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 plus 1. This gives us 1 is not equal to 1 upon 5, and this is true. Now we will see for which value of k does this equation satisfy. So we have 1 upon k minus 1 is not equal to 1 upon 2k plus 1. Cross multiplying, we will get 2k plus 1 is not equal to k minus 1. Now if we take the constants on one side and variables on other, we will get 2k minus k is not equal to minus 1 minus 1. So this implies k is not equal to minus 2. So we get our answer that k is equal to 2 and k is not equal to minus 2, and this is our required answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.